Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set boundaries with Microsoft Teams on your mobile device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, tap your profile icon or initials in the upper left corner of the screen. This will open up your profile and settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your Teams experience. From here, tap Notifications. This will take you to a comprehensive notifications settings page where you'll see different notification options available to help you manage when and how Teams contacts you. These settings are crucial for establishing healthy work boundaries and preventing notification overload during your personal time. For instance, tap Block during quiet hours. This feature is designed to give you uninterrupted time away from work notifications. Look for daily quiet hours and tap the toggle switch right beside it to enable this option. Once enabled, you'll have control over exactly when Teams stays silent. Below it, you'll see Start. Tap it, then adjust the clock to set when you don't want Teams notifications to come through, then tap OK. Right below that, you'll see End. Tap it and adjust the clock to set when notifications can resume, then tap OK. This creates your daily notification-free window. Below that, tap the Quiet Days option to enable the toggle switch. You'll then be able to select which days of the week you want quiet hours to apply to, whether that's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. Mix and match based on your schedule and preferences. Below this section, you can fine-tune which notifications can still break through during quiet hours. You can enable or disable options such as incoming calls, important messages, mentions, and badge counts. Simply tap the toggle switch right beside each option to turn it on or off based on what you consider urgent enough to interrupt your quiet time. Tap back once you're done configuring these settings, then tap back again to return to your main Teams view. Now, if you want to set boundaries for specific conversations, tap the chat or group chat where you need more control. In the upper right corner, tap the eye icon to access information and settings for that specific conversation. Tap Mute if you want to silence notifications from this particular chat. This is perfect for active group chats that might otherwise flood your notifications throughout the day. Tap back once you're done, then tap back again to return to your Teams home screen. Next, tap your profile icon or initials in the upper left again. This time, tap Available. You'll see a list of status options including Available, Busy, Do Not Disturb, Be Right Back, Away, and Appear Offline. Tap your preferred option from the list. Your status communicates to your colleagues whether you're open to interruptions or need focused time. Below your status options, you can set a status message. Go ahead and tap it. Tap the text field at the top, then enter your status message to provide additional context about your availability. Below that, you'll see Show When People Message Me. If you want to enable this feature, tap the toggle switch right beside it to turn it on. This lets people see your custom message when they try to reach you. Finally, tap the check icon in the upper right to save all your changes. You've now successfully established clear boundaries in Microsoft Teams that protect your time while keeping you accessible when it truly matters. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.